The cat's reveals came! And my Gatorades! We're gonna go to the pool and then we'll do the reveals. Come on, cats! We're going to the pool, guys. And girl. Guy and girl. Richie's walking that way. Maybe he won't come to the pool today. Harriet will come to the pool though. Come on, Harriet. I don't think your brother's coming. Oh, Harriet's chasing a squirrel. The squirrel's gone, though. I wonder if she ever hunts. How she got food before me. I don't know. There's one other guy said he was feeding her, but I only saw him once. Oh, and there comes Richie. He's gonna come to the pool after all. Harriet's just scratching. Richie's on his way. Good boy. We're gonna swim. Come on, Richie. To the pool. Come on, Harriet. And here's Richard at the pool. Harriet will find us soon. She can fit through the door. Yep, there she is. 2 cats at the pool. Thank you for watching.